Welcome back to CSK Vlogs and hope you guys are doing good. I just thought of doing chicken pepper fry at house itself. So stay tuned. Let me chop onion in my style. Now it's time for chilies. I've taken half capsicum. Let the pan get heated. Two spoons of oil. Chop the chilies. Some onions. Bit of turmeric powder and salt. I love using salt in hands, not in spoon, because I can't understand the quantity when I'm using spoon. Let me start sorting this onions and chilies. And one red dry chili. Go into the pan. Let me put some capsicum into this pan. Let the capsicum start getting fried up properly. The onions are going completely in roasted golden color. Let me start using spices. I've used some chili powder, coriander powder, and some pepper. Let the flame go a bit less. Let me use some water in this. Let me start salting it out. Let the chicken start swimming into this mixed spices, whatever I have put in the pan. Let me start salting the chicken. Let the spices enter completely into chicken. It will taste really good. Let this get cooked for 15 to 20 minutes. Let me close the plate. It's been 15 minutes. Let me open the plate and check. just used half glass of water. Once I close the plate, I can see because of the steam, whatever the plate I closed, the water is floating in the pan like anything. I think chicken has cooked. Yes, chicken has been cooked well. Now let me put the flame high so that the water gets drained up completely in pan. Let me use some more pepper and salt. Let me start sorting. To get water completely drained in this pan, it will take 2 to 3 minutes. After that, at last, let me use some soya sauce. If you need pepper chicken gravy, you can leave it like this itself. Or if you need pepper dry, then you need to wait to get water completely drained in this pan. As I can see, now it's in semi gravy. Slightly, the gravy is thick. The chicken is completely cooked well. At last, let me put some curry leaves. And start salting. Last, I'll be using 1 spoon of soya sauce into this. It goes really good. And let me start salting this well. The soya sauce has been completely merged into the curry. Now the curry needs to get completely dried. Let me leave it for another 2 or 3 minutes. The aroma of the pepper is really good. Now it's completely dry. Let me switch off. Just look at this. It's completely fried. Just the chicken oil is getting floated at last. Whatever the pepper fry has been stick to the pan. Let me use some rice. It will really taste very good. It will become completely like a fried rice, pepper fried rice at last. Let me start sorting it out in the pan. You people might be thinking that I'm kanjusi. No, I'm not kanjusi. This will really taste good at last. Let me start serving this rice into plate. The fried thing, whatever has been stick to the pan, it will completely get into this rice. It will really taste it very superbly and fantastically. I have put my camera into tripod so it would be facing me from upside. So let me taste this pepper fried rice, whatever I mixed it in pan. The burnt stuff, whatever was there in the pan, it has completely stuck to the rice and the flavor is really good. It's really good. Tasting amazing. Let me taste some chicken with this rice. The chicken has cooked really well. Chili spiciness and pepper spiciness, salt slightly and some chili powder. It's really tasting very good and I feel the spiciness is more. But when I'm eating in the rice, I can't feel so much of spicy. But when I'm eating just chicken, I might feel a bit spicy. Let me try this. Eating only chicken. The soya sauce taste, it's just amazing in the chicken. It has completely merged. Yes, if I eat just chicken, it's really spicy. But with rice, it's going really good. Very good combination if you have rice. I finished my pepper chicken fry. It was really very spicy. So now the biggest mess which has happened, I need to clean that. So it's time to end my vlog. Take care guys, stay at house. If you find some stray dog, try to keep some water and bye. Be safe.